This is beautiful. These are really nice cars. Like, I don't want none of that noise. What you doing in my waters, boy? Just not fishing. The schnoz on that guy. Nice beak. Could it be any beakier? I think he sees a fish. He's going to battle. He's not looking down though. He's looking at me for sure. Just waiting for you to fly away, dude. Every time I see you, you're gone instantly. It's because the elevation met. I'm gonna drop my bicycle, but I gotta do it holding on him. I can't go down that hill for those. Look, the fish are quite active right now, actually. Okay. Okay, I did it. Drop the bike. You see the wingspan on this guy? You will freak out. He's in the water. When he walks, oh my god. He gone. Well, that was it. That's the crane. How am I get closer?